Mercedes, up in ass sass, baby, screaming shit until I die. Like I have a paradise, life's crazy, so I live it to the fullest till I'm swaying. You can only live it once, so I'm thinking about this nice later. What not stop me now before I get on a roll. Danish, let me tell you what this pretty dame is name is, cause she's kinda famous, and I hope that I don't sound too heinous when I say this. But Nicki Minaj, why would I wanna stick my penis in ya? You always think that I'm a genius, really I belong outside a dang a sailor, I'm clean and trailer parks. Maybe you should listen to the mixture mark, maybe down like she supposed to be. She gets down low for me, down like a temperature, cause to me she's 0 degrees, she cold, oh freeze. I got the girl from overseas, now she's not Miss America, but can I be her soldier? Please, I'm fighting for this girl on a battlefield of love. And don't it look like baby Cupid sending arrows from above? And don't you ever leave the side of me, and definitely not probably, but honestly, I'm down like the economy, so I'm alive again. More alive than I had been my whole entire life again. See these people's ears perk up as I begin to spaz with the pin. I'm a little bit sicker than most, just finna get thick again. They say that competition is stiff, but I get hard dick from the shit and I stick it in. I ain't never been in again. Cautions to the wind, complete freedom. Look at these rappers, why would I treat them when I join them and I beat them? And get these whack cocks off stage, what the fuck is Kanye wouldn't need them? Snatch the mic from him, bitch, I'ma let you finish in a minute. Yeah, the rap is tight, but I'm about to spit the greatest verse of all time, so you might wanna go back to the lab tonight and I'm screw up them rhymes we're gonna spit and start over. I'm scratching right now with afraid that they can make don't know difference when I rip the stage and tear it in half tonight.